Welcome back. Time for some more math, more subtraction. What words do we use with subtraction? That's right, difference and, oh yes, fewer. Little review there. That's the last problem we did with 300 minus 17. We had to go to a bigger bank. Notice the red box around the 30. So we'll do one of those again, and then I'm going to have to add a third zero and simply go to a bigger bank, and you'll see what that looks like. Here we go. Ah, perfect. Ah, not perfect. Try again here. I'm getting quite good at that. Delete. Start new. Color, please, blue. So let's go with 700. 700 minus 23. All right, let's do our check-offs real quick. Bigger number on top, check. Am I clean? Very nice and clean. All right, so far so good. Handle one thing at a time. So this zero right here is like, I could use some money because this guy wants $3, but I got nothing. So I'm gonna go knock on my friend's door. He's like, I'm sorry, I got nothing either. So he says, all right, I will have to go to a bigger bank. And I see $70 there, 70. If I go to that bank, I'm guaranteed to at least get $1. 70, take away $1 is 69. And where does that magic dollar go? Well, to the original person who needed it. Now he's got $10. And his friend's like, well, can I have $3? He says, yeah, no problem. And what's the difference between 10 and 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 9. Take away $2. I get 7 again. That's not so bad. And the easiest, of course, is 6. Take away nothing. Is 6. All right. So that's that. Now I'm simply going to turn that 700 into 7,000. And you'll just see one minor change. No big deal. Just a bigger bank. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, yes. Perfection. Beautiful. Ready? I said 7,000 this time. 7,000. 3 zeros minus 23. Make sure you put the 2 and the 3 in the tens and the ones place. Let's go for our check-offs. Check 1, bigger number on top. Si, senor. Are we nice and clean? Oh my gosh, is that pretty? And we start off in that ones column like normal. Tell our story here. Hey, could I have $3? I'm sorry, man. I haven't got any money. But I'll ask my friend. I'm sorry, man. I haven't got any money. I'm sorry, man. In the hundreds place, I have got no money. Come on now. So I'm simply going to go to a bigger bank. And I will go to a very large bank, actually. And here it is, 700. That's a huge bank. Lots of money. And now his frown turns upside down. And he's happy. He's going to get his dollar. Well, first of all, let's just take $1 away from the bank. 700, take away 1 is 699. Our magic dollar, just like before, goes right there. And then we just subtract it out. And then it's a party. It's a good day. Let's try some blue. So, can I have $3? Of course, I have $10. Not a problem. $7 is what you get when you subtract 10 minus 3. 9, take away $2. And I will get 7 again. And yes, 7 plus 2 does equal 9, so I'm good there. Look at the last two. They got nothing. 9 take away nothing. Easy. 6 take away nothing. Easy. Boom. So we have just a larger box. Around 2 zeros versus 1. Let me write this problem down one more time. Make sure you don't make some common errors that I've seen. So I'll take 7,000 minus 23 again. And sort of retell the story, but add a couple errors. 7,000 minus 23. All right, let's have a go here. 7,000, same problem, minus, let's do the first problem. Oh no, what have I done wrong here? Give you 5 seconds to figure it out. Correctamundo, these are written in the wrong place. You can't just shove them in the middle. They have to be in the proper place. Let me erase that and fix that common problem I've seen before. You must put them in the correct parking spaces. So we're going to put 23, the 20, the 2 stands for 20, and then the 3 is a ones place, it goes there. Okay, perfect. Now, do my checkoffs. Bigger number on top, it is. Nice and clean. Oh my gosh, as beautiful as my hair. Woo! All right, so we know the story here where the guy says, hey, you know, I could use some money because this person wants $3, I have nothing, and I'm super sad. So we know he's going to go and ask the next person, and I have nothing, and I have to ask the next person, I have nothing. All right, so you figured that out, and then you say to yourself, well, you know what I need to do? I need to go to a bigger bank. All right, so here's 2 errors I've seen occur. Don't do these 2 errors. All right, I'll have to shave some eyebrows off. Let's see here. We'll use yellow. So they go, oh, I need a bigger bank. So they remember last time we just put a square on the 70, so they do that instead. But he forgot to include that 0 in the box. So this would be wrong. I've seen that error. Just want to make sure you see it. Don't make that mistake. The box actually goes around both zeros. Okay, so let me turn that green so we know we're actually going to 700, not 70. Let me just erase that and show you one more error. Okay, let's do this here, and I'm going to just write 7,000 again and show you one more very common error that I see. But if you tell the story in your head correctly, you should be okay. 7, yep, thousand, and then, you know, just making sure my rows are clean. Oh, wanted white. There we go. Nice and clean like before. You don't have to draw these lines. I'm just doing it to make sure you are keeping your rows clean. So, same story. You got your fantastic friend upset because he can't give his friend $3. He's going to go ask his buddy. Buddy says, I don't have any money. He's going to go ask his buddy. I'm sorry, I've got no money, man. We saw that one error where they just put a box around the 70. Maybe you can guess what the other error is. And this is what I've seen. Take the yellow. Is they put a box around everybody. And they call that the bank. But this person is a person. The 700 is the bank. The 700. So this is wrong. You don't want to put a box around the very person.